everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Thanks for taking a little bit of your time out of your day to be with me and to watch this video. So this video is all about this beautiful pour. It's an abstract acrylic fluid pour. And normally, if you've been watching my videos for a while, I like these big, dramatic, and full coverage of pours. But this time I decided I want a little bit of negative space, and that's what I did here. And this is gorgeous. I love the copper, gold, and silver in this. It turned out beautifully. Keep watching to see how this happened. Here it is up close. Look at this beautiful lacing. The shine you can see from all three colors because they're all metallics. Silver, copper, and gold. Look at that. It just shimmers. Sparkles everywhere. It is stunning. I love having the negative space. I normally don't, but I think it looks really, really beautiful. And the lacing on this turned out just so beautifully. I will take some up-close pictures when it is dry for you to see. And click on the link you see now so you can see more of my fluid pours.